A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the human energy grid, programming consciousness for progression. Ladies and gentlemen, the human energy grid is an extraordinary system intricately designed to sustain consciousness. At its core lies the brain, a highly integrated processor capable of simultaneously managing signals and data from multiple sources, including sensory input, emotions, learning, perception, imagination, experience, and analysis of possibilities. This remarkable integration allows the brain to deliver optimal responses tailored to the conscious state at any given moment. The quality of consciousness is shaped by two critical factors: the energy grid's ability to meet fluctuating power demands and the brain's capacity to mobilize additional energy resources when required. These elements ensure the seamless functioning of the brain-body system, enabling purpose-driven action while maintaining peak efficiency in conscious states. Let us understand the architecture of the human energy grid. The human energy grid operates as a closed-loop system linking cellular energy generation, stimulation, and amplification processes across the body and brain. Its regulation is governed by the deep limbic system, a network of interconnected brain structures functioning as the master controller. This system orchestrates critical physiological and cognitive processes, including circadian rhythms, metabolism, memory, learning, emotional regulation, and olfactory perception. At the center of this energy network lies the hypothalamus, which serves as the control hub. It bridges the nervous and endocrine systems via the pituitary gland, regulating energy generation, distribution, and utilization. The hypothalamus receives inputs from the thalamus, responsible for monitoring sensory activity, and the pineal gland, which acts as an interface with cosmic energy systems. The pineal gland's role in brain entrainment provides an additional mechanism for boosting energy levels during heightened states of awareness or stress. There are three power plants supporting the human energy grid. Let's examine them. First is the physical energy power plant. This system derives energy from the heart-lung-brain circuit with contributions from every cellular process in the body. It forms the foundational energy supply for physiological functions. Second is mental energy power plant. Powered by the neural networks, this system processes data inflow, storage, and retrieval. Emotional regulation, guided by the hypothalamus, amplifies and directs this mental energy, allowing neurons to collectively fuel higher cognitive functions. Third is cosmic energy power plant. Facilitated by the pineal gland, this system taps into universal energy fields. Its influence enhances the output of both physical and mental energy systems, creating a powerful synergy capable of addressing increased demand on the energy grid. These power plants are interdependent, operating in unison to meet the dynamic energy requirements of the human system. Let us also look at consciousness, which is energy in motion. Consciousness reaches its highest potential when all three power plants function at peak capacity. The energy generated is directed towards fulfilling purposeful action, guided by aspirations that define life's progression. The deep limbic system ensures this energy flows precisely where it is needed, allowing the grid to adapt to evolving demands. This energy grid is fundamentally programmed to transform aspirations into purpose and purpose into progress. It exemplifies the intricate design that enables continuous growth, ensuring alignment between physiological, mental, and cosmic dimensions. Let us also take a scientific perspective on the energy grid. Scientific understanding corroborates the role of the hypothalamus as the control center linking the brain and body. Its regulation of the endocrine system and autonomic nervous system demonstrates its pivotal role in energy balance. Research highlights the pineal gland's sensitivity to external electromagnetic fields, suggesting its potential as a cosmic interface capable of influencing brain activity. Additionally, the brain's limbic structures responsible for memory, learning, and emotion have been shown to function as integrative hubs, directing energy resources efficiently under varying demands. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, let us understand the pathway to progression. The human energy grid is a dynamic framework designed not just for survival but for transformation. It empowers the brain-body system to align with purpose, adapt to challenges, and unlock the potential for boundless progression. This harmony of physical, mental, and cosmic energy systems reveals a profound truth. Consciousness is not static. It is ever expanding and endlessly creative. Every individual is a symphony of energy and possibility, capable of turning aspirations into purpose and challenges into triumphs. The grid's true power lies in its ability to inspire extraordinary growth. It offers a path forward, a life of clarity, purpose, and illumination, a progression fueled by the boundless energy within, waiting to be realized. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.